Why, hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of What the Frech is in the Box. We have a box. Alright, let's see. Ready? We got ourselves a summer's eve. They're wipes. Not for your butt. Technically not for me either. But I don't know if you know this. Technically, these wipes are really soft. They're like better than baby wipes. Like they're so nice. They're like soft on the butt, soft on everything. So if you ever need Simply Sensitive Summer's Eve wipes, they are soft. Thank you so much, Summer's Eve, for sending on over the lady wipes. Until next time, my name's Andrew Frech. These are not mine, but they're great to have. Thank you, Mr. Thank you so much, Summer's Eve, for sending on over the baby wipes. Until next time, my name's Andrew Frech. This is What the Frech is in the Box, and these are nice little lovely lady wipes. Very nice and pH balanced. They're gentle daily cloths and free from dyes. Nice.